Searching for an industry profile. Industry profiles can be incredibly helpful in understanding the world your company inhabits. In the Business Source Complete database, you can find reports from MarketLine or Data Monitor that are usually more than 30 pages long and provide lots of rich data. They can be tricky to find, or not, depending on how lucky you are, but I can show you a trick for finding the not so easy to find profiles. As always, start at the library's webpage, click on Find Articles and More, Databases, Business Source Complete. If you're lucky, a simple search on your company's name will work. Once you get all the results for your company, look at the source types over on the left. If industry profiles don't show up on the list, look for a Show More button. Then click on Industry Profiles. For Disney, I have quite a few to look at. I'm going to limit to the ones that are more than 30 pages long. Under Movies and Entertainment, there are quite a few reports to sift through based on different parts of the world. I could choose North America, or scrolling down more, I see there's a global media report. That could work too. You can choose which one you want to use, just make sure it's one of the lengthy profiles of more than 30 pages. Here's the report for global media. You'll see that it starts with some data about the industry, then it provides a 5 forces analysis on the industry's relative power of buyers and suppliers, ease or difficulty of new entry, and substitutes for the products. Then there are usually profiles of a few major competitors in the industry. The citation they provide in APA format is pretty good. Just copy-paste. You may have to clear some formatting and change the font. Add the phrase retrieved from Business Source Complete. Then format the paragraph to hanging indent. Sometimes, though, the search for your company doesn't provide an industry profile as one of the source types. You could try searching for a large competitor in the same industry and see if an industry profile shows up that way. Remember, you're not getting a profile of your company here. You're getting a report on the industry in which your company works. So getting a report by searching on a competitor's name should get you an industry profile that applies to your company too. Or, here's a little trick. Do a search on Google for your company's NAICS code. That's a national industry code that the government uses. I've done the search for Disney. I already know that of these three NAICS codes, the last one is the most general. The first one has to do with theme parks, the second one is broadcasting, and the third one is media. I'll go back to Business Source Complete, click on Advanced Search, then I'll put that code into the search box. And select NAICS code as the field to search. From these results, I'll look on the left for a source type industry profile. And voila, I find the global media industry profile. In fact, this one's a little better than the one I found by searching the company name because it's more recent. These can be a little tricky to find. You can ask a librarian for some help.